fellas. Y'all get to let your nuts hang all day. All day. We, on the other hand, gotta wear this contraption, this straight jacket, they call it a bra. This a weapon of mass destruction. Your titty's in a hostage situation all day long. You know, that's why at the end of the day, when you lay on your back and they go to the window, to the wall, consider it your little bonus. Shit, you hooked up all day working overtime. You unhook that bra and them titties just go, ooh, thank you. Ooh. Bitch, we been up all day. Thank you for letting us lay down.